Hey guys, it's the three crazy guys here at Aztec Chevrolet doing another ringtone challenge. I know some of y'all like them, some of y'all don't, but we're not going nowhere. And we like everybody that likes them. They talk to us in town and say, "Hey, you're those crazy guys." So if y'all have any suggestions on songs, please text us. But Happy New Year's to everybody. A lot of things. We want a lot of things to change. We want to lose weight. We want to sell more cars. We want to make more money. But here at Aztec Chevrolet, it seems like a lot of things don't change. So here's your loser.
Wah, wah, wah. Henry has a great time with this game every time we play. Give him a call. He enjoys hearing the ringtones. Here's the song 542 0171.
I'm gonna do both.
Oh, that's not even
Yeah.
funny.
Whatever.
542-0171. Give him a call all day.
Unless you want to buy a car. If you don't want to buy a car, don't call me.
Either way, y'all have a good day.